start with your warm-up. You can walk in one place like we always do at the beginning of your warm-up. Do jumping jacks. And relax. Next, you can grab a hold of your elastic band. You're going to place it around your ankles. You can support yourself against the wall. Get close to the wall as possible. Make sure that your body is facing forward. You're going to engage your left glute. Stabilize yourself. Your weight on your right leg, then you're going to lift up towards the side. Really focus on using your gluteus muscle. And relax, and switch to your other side. And start. And relax. Next, you're doing squats. So you want to move your feet further than hip width apart. You're going to go into a glute squat, so it's going to be a little bit higher than a full range squat. So you want to focus on being on your heels. So your weight is in your heels. And you're going to push your butt back first, activating your glutes and pushing through your heel back up. We're going to do 15. So really make sure that you're using your glutes to bring it back up. And relax. Next, you're going to put your band around your foot instead of your ankles. Make sure that you don't use your hip flexors for the exercises. I know if your glutes is a little bit underactivated, then you start feeling it here. Make sure that you're using your glute muscles instead of your hip flexors. You move to the side of your mat. We're going to do squat walks. So you're going to go low into a squat position. Activate everything, keep your core engaged, and then you're going to move to the side. You're going to do 3 steps, and then you're going to step back 3 steps as well. We're going to do 10, so 1 is that way and back. And start, really activate your glutes. You're going to feel it in the outer glutes as well as in your middle. And relax. I can already start feeling my glutes burn, so I know that my activation is working. So we're going to start with your workout. You're going to come down onto the floor. Your rest is going to be a little bit less in between each exercise because you really want to fatigue the muscle, you want to start feeling that burn and almost feel like it's failure where you can't do another set. So we're going to do about 15 to 30 seconds of rest. So you can do a second set. In your third set. first set, you're going to just go up, open, back, down. For your second set, it's just going to open and close. And your third set, you're going to hold it in position. So your second set, you're going to lift up, open, close. So it's going to be constant, hold, open, close. Remember, you don't want to arch your back, you want to keep it neutral. So you're going to just tuck your pelvis in slightly, activate your glutes, and you don't want to lower down too much, you want to stay up high. Do your second set. And relax. So your third set, you're going to lift, open, and you're going to hold for 30 seconds. So you can do your third set. So lift, open, squeeze, and hold. Your next exercise, you're going to be on all fours. You're going to be focusing on your upper glutes. You're going to stand with your shoulders over your elbows, over your wrist, legs in a 90-degree angle. Engage your core, straighten out your back.
You're the night sky trying to make me see your stars. burnt out, and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky.
And relax. You can sit back into a child's pose.
You'll always be my night sky.
Can do your left leg.
You'll always be my night sky. You're the night sky hiding behind dark gray clouds. I can't figure you out now. I see you're blue. There is so much cold in you, and the silence is so loud when you go. I just stay dancing with my shadow all day. Watch the time. I can't find the point where our two paths align. But you're the night sky. I'm trying to see your stars, but I've always feared the dark. Now I see violet. I can feel your silence. You always feel so far, and your stars have burnt out, and your heart makes no sound. I'll find valid in your eyes. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be my night sky. You'll always be.
Next exercise, you're going to lie on your side. You're going to start with your left leg.
You'll always be my night sky.
I get lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts to end up on the brink. I tried so hard, but all these scars, they cut so deep, I bleed. I fell so fast from heaven, it's like someone clipped my wings. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground.
You're going to do 15 for 3 sets on the same leg. So you're going to rest a little bit and then do the same. Then we're going to switch over to your right. You do your second set. Really focus on squeezing here, as well as on the inside of your butt.
Showed me how to live again. Now I'm falling, and I can't see the ground. Can we stop this gravity?
It should really start to burn, and you know you're using the correct muscle. You
gravity. Gravity.
Good, switch to other side. So remember, focus on using the upper part as well as the inside where your butt comes together. You can start with your first set. It's natural for your one leg to be a little bit more stiff than the other side, but you struggle to do the motion, so you don't have to lift all the way as hard as you can. You just make sure that you engage the muscle while you're busy lifting. It doesn't necessarily mean that you have to keep all the way up. You can also get the full effect by just lifting it a little bit and lowering it back down. You can do a second set. You can do a third set. We're going to focus on your abs and then we'll come back to your glutes with a little bit of a burnout when we're done. So you can still lie on your side. We're going to do a little bit of an overkill, so you're already feeling your obliques a little bit in this previous exercise. We're going to do hip dips next, which is also going to focus on your oblique muscle. So You're going to lie on your side.
Isn't easy. I wouldn't have it another way. There's no other way. Yeah. When it hurts like this, ever like this, ever like, ever like this, ever like, ever like this, ever like this. When it hurts like this.
Be your right side.
And I've been chillin', watching the ocean with you. Baby, up with a slow motion crew. And we up in our clouds when people change, but not us. And we just chillin'.
Next, you're going to come up to the top.
Could be soaked to the skin.
You're going to focus on your love handle area.
Vibes when seasons change, but we're the same.
Gonna grab hold of both your dumbbells.
And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Cause you got me holding.
And then to your left.
Possessed by a low, low voodoo. Fired up like a wolf on a full moon. And we're stuck in a la la land. The tides will turn without us. And I'll be killing time like I might be a cartoon. Take it in real life like haiku. I know we got the good vibes when pieces fall right into place. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding.
You're going to come down onto the floor. You're going to do sit-ups with the press. Gonna grab hold of the dumbbell. Lie down.
Play me like a bass guitar, simmer down and mess me up, tripping like I'm Jimmy at Woodstock. And I drive me around in your red Ford, shivers down my spinal cord. Oh, 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 oh. 'Cause you got me holding, holding. Even if I lost all my money, the zero runs deep, honey. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding, holding. Even if my jokes aren't funny, my tongue tied up on it. And I don't need to speak a single word, 'cause you got me holding,
You can also just do a normal sit-up. You don't have to use the weights. So normal would be crossing your arms over your chest, engaging your core, lifting up and down. Do your second set. Remember to breathe during your sit-ups. So you want to lift up, exhale, lower down, inhale. You can do your third set.
Here we go again. Trying hard, but you wanna be my friend. Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. Here we go again. Call my bluff, I'ma be here till the end. I'm the one you ride, I'm the one you ride to. If you don't wanna change, ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you out. Here we go again. Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no one to ride to. Here we go again.
Your next exercise, we're going to be focusing on your upper abs. So you're going to be doing crunches.
If you don't,
Going to bring your legs into a tabletop.
ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to. If you don't wanna change, I can help you out, 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 I can help you.
When you're doing any crunches, you want to make sure that you're not straining your head and your neck too hectically, and you want to make sure that your shoulder blades lift off of the floor.
Ain't no place to hide, ain't no one to run to.
Next exercise, you're going to do toe taps. So you're going to stay in the tabletop position. You're going to focus on using your lower abs.
I can help you out, 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 I can help you out.
I just can't let you go. Lord knows that I've tried to. You said I was the only one. No one likes being lied to. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I wanna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. I just need to clear my head. I've been stuck on your memory, but it's not like I need it. And we may have some history, but we don't have to repeat it. You made this mess and left me with the pieces. Now I'm gonna burn all the bridges between us. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. 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 I just need to. I just need to.
Yes, that's it.
I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I just need to. I just need to clear my head. I can't focus, I can't forget. I've been thinking too much lately. I just need to clear my head. Oh, clear my head. I just
The burnout exercise for your abs is going to be opposite hand to toe reach. You're going to have your one leg bent, the other leg straight, the arm straight.
I just need to clear my head. Music keeps me on and on. You got the feeling.
Switch to your right leg and your left arm.
Music keeps me dancing.
You stay on the floor. Your burnout for your glutes is going to be glute bridges. We're going to do 15, then you're going to pulse for 15, and then you're going to hold for 30 seconds.
Music keeps me dancing.
and hold.
Music keeps me dancing.
Well done, finishing your workout. We're going to do a quick cool down and then you're done. You can start by straightening out one leg, bringing your left leg over your right, crossing it, bringing your knee in towards your chest, and then moving, looking back and looking back. You're going to feel this stretch in your glutes. Can switch to your other leg. You can lie on your back. You can straighten one leg and bring the other leg in towards your chest. And switch to your other leg. Then bring both legs in and straighten them above you. Push them down towards the side so that you straighten out your back. and relax. You can come up. You're going to sit, bring the one leg over the other, push both buttocks to the floor. Also going to feel this stretch like you did with your other stretch. And switch legs. You can slowly come up with your head last. Open up your legs further than hip width. Push your butt backwards while you're busy stretching down towards the floor. Go as far as you can. Going to feel this in your hamstrings as well as in your glutes. Slowly bring your arms together, hook them in, and then sway from side to side, very slowly. Lift up your head and then slowly bring everything back up towards the top with your head last. Stand with your feet hip width apart. You're going to stretch out your sides, so lift up your arm and stretch all the way over. The other side. That is it for your workout. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys tomorrow for day 4, which is going to be another upper body workout. Bye!